Yo, what's up, guys? It's just like once again, and it's been long. I actually posted on this YouTube channel because I've been busy with a lot of projects. And why I'm posting this is because of a lot of people have been coming to my DM asking me this question about deadline in console accounts. Google have been terminating a lot of console accounts like this, and also like more. A lot of console accounts they just terminate it for no reason. But there's a reason because of you don't either you don't view your email. They've already sent this notification since last year. So there's a new update on Google whereby you need to re-verify your console accounts. So before you can publish app, you need to re-verify your console account. Even if you publish app, you still need to verify that console account. So that's the new update. I'll be showing you that on my um on my phone right now, so you can see um what I'm trying to say. And if you have not done your verification or you have not your verification deadline have not reached, you can just let me know. And also, I will be showing you what you need to do immediately. So, if you go to your console account right now, you will under the place you're supposed to go, you will see what I'm saying there, and you will see your deadline date there. So please do well and verify your console account right now. If you have not verified it, so that's what I have to say here. So, if you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, follow this video very well. And also, if you're having any question at all, you can drop me a message on WhatsApp. I'm going to attend to you. So I'll be showing you everything on my phone right now, so you can know what you need to do. But before I go, if you need an app development or you want me to train you on how to reskin app on Android Studio and also how to code with Java and Kotlin, I can help you with that. And if you have console account for sale, at least 1 month old console account for sale, come to my inbox. I'm going to buy it from you. So I buy console accounts every day. So if you have any console account for sale at or any at or at least there should be at least one app on it. So if the console account is available, come to my WhatsApp. I'm going to buy it from you immediately. No matter how many accounts you have, I'm going to buy it. So and my pay is very okay. Uh, I pay you from 100K to 400K, depending on your accounts and also how old is the account. So if you have any account available, let me know. So let's dive into the video right now, so you can understand what I mean by deadline and also how you can overcome that stuff so that your console accounts will not be terminated. So let's go to the video right now. Bye. Yo, what's up, guys? So let me open my phone now so you can see everything I'm talking about. Majority of people have been sending me these screenshots since I said earlier. So let me log into my console account here. So all right, so this is my console account now. You can see I'm actually uploading an app which is Start Saver app. I work on it just today. You can see the date. Today is 12. Just today, and this is the app here. So in case you need an app in order for you to earn on Google AdMob, I'm also active in building a good app for you. You can see this is Status Saver app. And you can see the UI is super. You can see it also down here that is made by Joseph Tech. And you can see this is my email right here. And this is the company name. So if you need an app for any on AdMob or any app at all, VTU app or anything at all, you can contact me. I'm going to develop a beautiful standard app for you to earn on AdMob. So that is it. And I swear, let me go back to the account now and show you what I mean by deadline so that your console account will not get banned. So you have to do this right now. So so come to this three navigating button up here, tap on it and scroll down to account details. You can see this account details here. This is where you will see everything I'm talking about. So come to account details and open it. So you will see your deadline. You can see the deadline of this account is November 13th. So you have to start like this account now. I have to verify it by November 13th that is of this year. So that means I'm going to verify this account next month. And if I don't verify it from that November 13th to September 14th, that means automatically the account will be permanently deleted. So this is what I'm trying to explain. So if you have not checked something like this before, please log into your console account right now. Log in right now. Follow what I'm saying here and come to your deadline if your deadline is still showing, is your deadline have started or your account is terminated, there's nothing to do again. And if your deadline has started, please make sure you verify your account immediately. You will be needing proof of address and an international passport or driver license now for you to verify your account. And with that, you're good to go. But if you cannot be able to do that, you can also drop me a message if you need any information about that. So that will be all. And if you have console account for sale, I buy console accounts. No matter how old is the console account, I buy it. I pay from 100,000 naira to 400,000 naira. So if you have console account for sale, you can also come inbox, come to my DM. My phone number is already on the description. Message me on WhatsApp and let's talk. So I'm going to buy your console account and pay you well. So that will be all. And I hope this video made you well, and I hope you understand this video. If you don't understand, please make sure you you watch again, and also share the video with your friends. So once again, I say you should go to developer account. That is, go to your console account, come to account details. Under account details, you will see your deadline. The deadline. So the deadline to complete account verification is November 13th. You can see this one now. November 13th, and start verification in Play Console from September 14th. You get. So now, another thing you have to know here again is, if you buy your console account like 2017, 2018, 2019, all those people that, that time when we are buying console account, that time we don't even use any ID card. Like, you don't verify your account, you just buy console account and upload the app. All those people, you can use any ID card and verify your account and proof of address. And but if you buy your console account 2022 ending 2023 that requires ID card, the same ID card you used to verify it before, that is what you are going to use again. That is what you are going to use again. So if you do not use that same ID card, and if you don't know how to do it, there is a possibility that Google will not verify the account and they might ban the account automatically. So if you don't know how to do any of this, you can come to my DM. I'm going to scale you through and also help you. Though it might cost you a little money for me to use any ID card and verify your account, but I'm going to sort it out for you. So that is it again. So make sure the name you put on your name, on the contact name, will be the same name that you use in verifying your account. So that will be all. So if you have any question, please drop it on the comment section. And if you are confused in any way, you can let me know on the comment section. So do have a blessed day, guys. Boom.